Hey, good morning. How are you? It's Sunday today in Melbourne, Australia, and it's going to be another heat wave. It's early in the morning, so I'm getting ready for the day. It's going to be very hot today. So I'll just show you what I've been working on. I've just been doing things like chipping and, working on little accessories and stuff like that. Just little things like time-consuming stuff that I'm really trying to develop. So I'm also doing it here on this one. You see here, getting it all dirty and rusted up and chipped up and all that kind of stuff, because I want it real dirty and ugly. And got a little hole there, so we'll have a little scene where this is being shot and it's all damaged. And I'll see if I can find some Russian dead bodies even, and we'll put that with that Master Box crew, the Panzerjägers, and they'll be pointing at the hole that they made. So this one's coming up pretty good. This is all done with a tiny brush, so it's I'm trying to resemble a rust for one, but also a very dirty exterior. So I haven't really done any oils yet, and that's what I'll be doing today. So we'll get some rust and some more sort of rust oil looks, pigments and stuff like that going on. So I've got some MIG Productions stuff I'm going to use for the rust. So we'll use a standard rust effect. That'll be the first one I put down, and I've got some others as well. So this one's a lighter one. It's a Rust Streaks by AK. That goes well with it. And I've also got this Crusty Rust Deposits one, and I find those together are really good as the oils. They work really well, so I'll be doing that. I've also got the aeroplane, a lot of the details starting to come together. So just putting a bit of brush work on the stuff that I want a different colour. So underneath, the wheels are starting to black. I'm starting to make the propeller a woodish colour. Getting the exhaust painted, so forth. And we've got some figures, so I'm going to be starting this factory scene. So this one's stuck down, he's in. He's still not stuck down yet. I've got a little oil stain under him. So just a few more things to do with this guy, and then he'll get stuck down. And then in front of this tank here, I'm going to have this guy working on his thingamajig. So the first thing I've done is I'm going to give him a brown, that coat in front. It's going to be brown, so that was the first one. And then I'm going to come along with my liquid mask, and I'll mask up his front smock, and then we'll paint his pants and his top. And so this is the old man that I'm going to be putting on this scene here. So he'll be sitting just next to the young boy. And what I've done is I've just got his boots ready, and I'll put some liquid mask on those boots, and then we'll do the rest, some more of his body parts. Spray it, and that's the log he sits on. That's the log that the worker man uses, and that's his, what do you call them? Your iron worker majiggy thingy. It's very shiny at the moment. But I've gone with a blue underbase, so I painted it blue, a dark blue. And then I came along and dusted on some gun metal. And then I gave it a gloss seal, and it's just made it so really glossy. But what we'll do now is we'll put some flat clear on it to bring it back, and we'll add some oils. And that's the thing he'll be working on, bashing his cooked metal What do you call them? I used to work on them. We used to have a forge and we used to make our own swords and knives. Can't remember exactly what you call those. But that's what's going on John's bench. Just doing all the fun, time-consuming stuff with some of the builds that I'm working on. Of course, this is getting chipped as well. This is getting chipped. Got a lot we're working on. We've got some back here that need to be. They haven't been started with the weathering process yet, and we've got a factory seam to complete. All kinds of things going on. All kinds of fun. All right, guys. I'll speak to you again shortly. Bye.